MEGHALAYA ban ngipniang subhai pi baro sakatup khubor mentagajan mir chuan phai shiki khubor ki babnia nginya pechwa yakimat bakongsan sedang kedorbar mangtingka ke balai sengi jongka Janja Hills Autonomous District Council daga jingterwa yaka mangtingka ke Baduna hak kini benia ke Janja Hills Autonomous District Council yaka Elaka and Village Amendment Bill arajar arpun riau saka select committee Lapen trikam biang ya ke internet Hagaru Hills hadian ke jingkhang ke bakandai sengi ke balapen kemen niki pait ba bat kinong trei hakikam dijam ai kublai khatdo ke Raja Sabha ya kisan thu khandai ngot ki khat naki arphau tali ki jela kenthop ya khandai ngot ki kenthai Bat penpau Menteri Rang Bakdu Kari Narendra Modi ya kejing sengau diau halor kejing jap lu ding Delhi pada Indore. Mentangnya pai shwa shaki kubur na keleng kejela. Ka dorbar mang tingka ka balai sengi jong ka Janja Hills Autonomous District Council kala sedang menta ka sengi hakabau Chief Executive Member uba Tombor Shiwat ulawan ra ya ka mang tingka ka Baduna da khatsan pon nriu ar klur tingka na ka benta usnem kenjing ken arhajar arpun riu arhajar arpun nyau u CEM ula pentep syakayeng ba kani ka ya kani ka mang tingka la anta da ba ka jingyo kalong arspa khandai pulai point riu sau klur tingka persya ya ka jinglut ka balong laispa khandai point ar riu klur tingka ka balong ka mang tingka ka Baduna ulaya thu ba ka jingduna ka dei na ki jinglut jingsep ki bamla ban ker kum ka employee pay increments ka pension bat ka jingpen baha ya ki tenat ba pher uba Shiwat ulaong ba ka jingla ban pendap ya ka jingken jingdia ka baman la usnam hadu usnam arhajar arpusau arpusan ka jingla ban siu pendap ya ki area revise pay bat pension ka jingwan ra ki pension book ka jingpli ya ka office jong ka tenat lum khajana hakli rian bat ka jing pentrikam ya ki sapu pratali ki scheme penroi bat ki wei ki long ki jing job ha ka jing trikam ha ba kren penkut uba Shiwat ulaong ba ka mangtingka ka long ka jing product ya ka jing kieu bat ka jing pahu pahai bat ula kerpat ya ki dukhot baginya treilang ban pentrikam hok ya ka lapen sange ya ka dorbar da ka jingbu ban penlong ya ka jing yatai halor ka mangtingka lasai ka sengi
I would like to inform that the drafting of the district one rule of Janja Hills Autonomous District Council is completed and hopefully it can be placed in the summer session to be held in the month of July after getting the prior approval of the governor. Digitalization of all forest land areas under the jurisdiction of the district council. Forest new working scheme for 5 years with effect from 2026 to 2027. The Janja Hills Autonomous District Service Rule 1981 is under process of re-examination. In conclusion, on behalf of the Executive Committee, I would like to say that this project is not just a financial statement, but a roadmap for progress and prosperity. So I therefore request all the honorable members of this House for their cooperation and support in implementing this project successfully for the benefit of our people. This Executive Committee also expressed its desire to have a close and cordial relation with the government in all spheres of activities, in implementation of our programs and policies in the right direction for the development and prosperity of the people of Janja Hills.
Ka Jante Hills Autonomous District Council henne ka sngi kala menjurlang ban IT yaka Elaka and Village Amendment Bill arhajar arpun riu shaka Select Committee na kabenta ban kemi binia khamsani kani ka bill ka balawanra da Chief Executive Member uba Thombor Shiwat kathmu ban penkala yaki kendon halor ka kam senchar bat ka bor jong ki nong yalam shnong kenthup yaki doloi ki sirdar bat ki wahe shnong kajing terwa bakongsan kalong hakabaya day bat kajing sam yaki bailot bicep haki election hapdeng ka dorbar ilaka bat ka district council kidkhot jong baro arliang kata kaliang senchar bat kaliang persya kila kershan yakani da ka babanjur halor kajing donkam bandakhmi bnia shwa khamtam ha kabaya day bat kajing penkala yaka section basau jong kajing penlong election na ka benta ki doloi bat ki sirdar.
For the information of all honorable members of the House, I would like to inform that the drafting of the district one rule of Jante Hill District Council is completed and hopefully it can be placed in the summer session to be held in the month of July after getting the prior approval of the governor. Digitalization of all forest land areas under the jurisdiction of the district council. Forest new working scheme for 5 years with effect from 2026 to 2027. The Jante Hill Autonomous District Service Rule 1981 is under process of re-examination.
Kadian kendai sngi kajing khang ya kajing aijing shakri internet ha Garu Hills la pentre kambiang ya ka menta ka sngi ka balawan ra ya kajing kemen hapedeng ki nong shong shnong bat ki nong tre hakikam ki jam ki bala shakta na kajing khang ka bala ne islam ka working president jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Dibora C Marak kala ong baka jingyakhi bajur nakilyang bapher kenthop ya ka seng Congress kala lam sha ka jing pentre kambiang ya ka internet kala banjur baka hakani ka jok digital ka internet kala longkum ka way na kijing dankam bat ka jing pensange ya ka wanra bun kijing kamara kala penshairu ba u emily barem ka phulbari u SG Esmatur Mominin deishu udukhot jong ka Congress bat shem la ai ticket ban yakhun ya ka election GHADC.
Mainly, we all know today students are unable to access online classes. How much it affect them? Study materials, examination updates, putting their education at risk. Health services and emergency communication, it's affect all of them. Putting lives at risk, those who are sick in the hospital, those who really need urgent doctor attention. These are very much concern to the Congress party. That is why we are here, and we wanted to put a message across Garo Hills. However, extending internet shutdown for more than a week is excessive and raises serious question about governance and decision making. From the party side, from Congress party, we strongly today urge upon the government to restore the internet. The continuation of suspension unjustified, affecting the innocent people. That's why I think it is high time for the government to restore the internet.
Ka working president jong ka Meghalaya Congress ka Dibora C Marak hene ka sngi kala penpau ya ka jing sngo kendit bat ka jing sngo diaw halor ka jing mi no UMP ka Assam jong ka Congress u Pradyut Bodoloi na ka parti banlait penyaso bat ka BJP kamara kala ong baga jing mi no jong u Bodoloi kalong ka jing du nong na ka benta ka parti. Kalau ong baka klem kemi lenti ba un no ya ka parti bat kala sngo diaw hadin ka jingpet ya ka interview jong u ha ka ba ulaya thu ya ka daw ba umi kamarak kalakantaj ban kren halor ka jinglong nong yalam jong ugorov gogoi.
He's very senior leader. I know him very well, and good friend. Is a good friend of mine. It is very unfortunate, and also I never expect he will leave the party. He has given many reasons. I have seen his interview last night. I was feeling so upset. Since morning, my mood also is very bad mood of. Just a good friend, senior Congress leader going away from Congress and join BJP.
Ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Berni Hat kala rakhi ya ka jubilee siar ka jongka menta ka sngi ha ka jingdap sanpo snem ka sngi sedang ya ka ha usnem khat khandai spa nyo pinyo ha ka ni ka program la don ru ka jingpli ya ka annual sports meet jong ka school Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development bat MLA ka jirang uba sustenance sotun ula penher ya ka lama jong ka school bat thangru ya ka syarak kum ka jingpli ya ka ni ka jubilee ha ka jing ai jingkran ka jong uba sotun ula penpau ya ka jing sngongu ya ki nongseng jong ka ni ka school na ka benta ka jing IT lot jong ki na ka benta ka school bat kerman ba ka ni ka school kandang beteng ban ai ya ki jing hikai ya ki khna bakin yo jing job ha ka jing em jong ki.
Looking back to 50 years, maybe at a time at a very simple school, be it the LP school, nursery, which the school institution have gone through. And looking back, we have to remember the sacrifices and the contribution that all the people who have jointly contribute or lending support to this great institution, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, touching the 50 years Golden Jubilee. It's not only looking back for the 50 years, but also with the aim of looking ahead.
Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District Abilash Baranwal ulakentu yakinong shnong ban husiar bat pikir bha hadin ka jingwan ling shop ka eryong haka district kabalakta ya shispa saphu teli kishnong bat penjot penjulor palat 6000 teli ki yeng ka jingdon jong ka eryong kala penthut ya ka jingsam boarding haka baki wire boarding kila dekut habernihat yam bat nongpo UDC ula batha ya ketenat boarding ban shimkhia mardor na kabenta ban penyo biang ya ka boarding kijing yarap bakentop ya ukhaw kinep bat kiwe kijing don kam ladeb ban pha shaki longyeng ki bala shakta ha ka jingja kadbaya ki block development officer la batha ban khmi ya kijing julor bat ban pentikna ya kijing penpoi ya kijing don kam shabaro ki longyeng.
There has, as per the latest report that we have received from the video so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate disbursal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets.
Kumshi benta jong ka jing rakhi ya ka World Tuberculosis Day halor ka phang pedeng yes weekend and TB ka District Tuberculosis Office West Jante Hills kala penlong ya ka jing yalap ban pen sapriang jing tep bat jing pen snguthu syaki paj ba la penlong ru ya ka street play ha yaw musyang ban pen I ya ki dak kishin ki nongrim ki jing yada bat ki jing sumar na ka benta ka jing pang TB la penlong ru ya ka making campaign ha yaw musyang bat yaw pensin wa ya jer ban pen sapriang jing tep halor ka jing pang TB I medical officer jong ka District Tuberculosis Center I Dr. NSC Taryang ila kentu ya ki paj ba ban wa jing tep na ki doktor ne kinu ki jaka ai jing sumar bat ban sumar bat burom ya ki nong pang TB.
Terus kalau terongkang dan sebangkang dan mereka ini lah siapa dulu cik tu. So siapa orang yang rumah.
Ya ka medyap jong wei briu bamla ban ithu ubala ban don ha ka karta ka balai pusan lani hapo saupusnem la suba badai ubar jela lalap ba ulayap ha ka brikwai ka badon ha thwai langtuk jong ka chnong donaskur ka ba a jengai kumba iwei poinsan kilometer na National Highway 6 ki pulit kila penlong ka jing toket ha ka te ka jaka ha ka jing ya donlang ki sakhi satar hadien bala deb le ya baro ki jing don kam lara no ya ka medyap sha civil hospital cleariat na ka benta ban le postmortem ya menta labu ya ka ne ka met ha ka jaka bu medyap ban up ya ki bahayeng hasem ban wan kam ya ka Confederation of KHASI Jantia and Garo People Southwest KHASI Hills District kelahir shashnong maubidong menta kasngi ban let ai jingkershan shakalong yeng jong ilong kme rosinabel siemle ibara don kun nyongut ibara du no ilaka yeng ha ka jing ingding malalam khmat do president uba Kenneth June El Nonglat ka federation kala ai snobha da ka song pisa ki jan kinap bat ki ter yeng shakani kalong yeng Hakani ke program lawan ban yashim talang da urang ba shnong uba tan lumbor ke kharai rengkat bat kiwei kinong yalam uba Kenneth June Nonglat ula kentu ya ke bor penyat district ban pelat mardor ya ke pisa ai jing yarap kenang bakan long ke jing yarap bat jing mentoy yaki
tena kalian yang seng la yo ya keniga jing tip naduk ketuga por dari ngila perkat menginuan tiga penlong yang menginuan mata sengi ban sengulem ban ai jing yarap nam tajun kalong ying hoj wat laki de ki dak ki warit andre tang ban ya don ketilang bak ni kalong ying namang la te bak de kalong ying tu kan thei ka ba khun ru ila bon hadu nyungut tina kliang yung seng ni sengi rengkat menteri senong yung ni senong bidong ya don rengkat ni sengi ban ai ni jing yarap ban no seniang nam tajun ka long ying long sem ti nget ba nakaliang jong ki bor badai khmi abi adai ba knika long ying nakaliang jong snong kila pendep ya ki kamram ba ki dai ban pentip si ki bor badai pe tingi kermen ba ka jing yaram kan long no kam kloi namar ba kum kini ki jing jia ki ba la jia kam ki dai ki kam ki ba kerki ti nakaliang jong seng ki kerpat ba ki lat jing yaram ki dibantu si kenika long yeng bat ki wei pat ki kan hun seng bahlang ki bodon kenika distrik ka jongi lani kino ki wei pat ki ba don ka mensim ban yarap na ka bantajong kenika longying tina kalian yo sengi pai kanika message ba subhaban wan ban jungo e kanika longying namar ngi wan ban page dari jong kikmat kat longi iba ka jingduk jong nika longying kalau long sya ka jingduk ka bakrau
ka Jantia National Council Jalapet Circle menta ka sngi kala lej banjurep ya ka jaka na ka benta ka jingtai ya ka college sorkar balakmi lenti laslam ha Jalapet Bri Sumer Malalam khamat do Presiden uba Andi Bare ka council kala pentip bala pensdang ya ka jingtrai bat ya ki kam ki jam ka banlong ru ka jingkermen ya ka than ka bala ap dungong ya ka ni ka jing angnut ka GNC kala penpau ya ka jing sngongu sya ka sorkar MDA 2.0 bat ya ka MLA jong ka than ikong Santa Mary Shela ki bala shim khia ban pentrei ya ka ni ka project hagaju kapur ka council kala kentu ya ki kontrak ba kindon ka jingkit khli ka bapura bat ban pentikna ya ka jing pendap ya ka kam ha kapur balabu Mentang nya phai shiki khubor na kaleng ki than chate lammi ngi ka Aam Admi Party menta ka sngi kala penbena ya ka thup kerteng ka ba ar jongka na ka benta ka election sha ka yeng dor bar thau an ka Assam ka ban salong shen ka party ka bathmu ban penyar ya ka jingdon jongka hakithan chate lammi ngi kala penyeng ya ki kertong jongka na bun ki constituency kumshi benta jongka jingyale jongka ban penskhem ya ki kertong hakate ka jela daga jingpenmi ya kani ka thup ka AAP kan beteng ban penskhem ya ka nongrim jongka haswa jongka election da ka babu yala de ha ka jelli kam san hima sima ha Assam kham haswa ka party kala pelat ya ka thup kerteng ka ban kong jongka kum ka dak ka jing yo rung jongka ha ka jingjien nongmi khmat ha Assam mentang nya pha shiki khubor na kaleng kari Kaying dorbar Raja Sabha mentaga sngi kala ai khublei khaddu yaki sanphu khandai ngot ki khat naki ar phautali ki jela bakanthop ya khandai ngot ki kanthai umentri rangba adu kari Narendra Modi ula ai jingyaro naka benta ka jingdon benta lang jongki ha ka sinshar khadar ha parliamentary dakaba ong ba ka jing shamphang ba jing shakri jongki kanyai ne junom ula banjur ba hakikam san hima sima om judan por ban sange Henry ke jing shamphang jong ki dikhat ki ban chong thaj no kanang ye beteng ban betin lenti yakari
एक सदन में कुछ निर्णय होता है दूसरे सदन में फिर आता है सेकंड ओपिनियन के लिए अगर इस सदन में होता है तो उस सदन में जाता है सेकंड ओपिनियन के लिए और ये सेकंड ओपिनियन उस सारी बहस को उस सारे निर्णय प्रक्रिया को एक बहुत बड़ा नया आयाम दे देती है और वो मैं समझता हूं कि हमारी निर्णय प्रक्रिया को समृद्ध करती है तो इसलिए सदन में जो माननीय सांसद बैठते हैं उनके लिए एक खुलापन रहता है कि भाई चलो इस सदन में नहीं तो उस सदन में एक अच्छा ओपिनियन नया आएगा उस सदन में नहीं तो इस सदन में एक नया ओपिनियन आएगा तो ये सेकंड ओपिनियन ये हमारे लोकतंत्र में एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है जो जिस विरासत को हमें संभालना हमारे जो माननीय सांसद विदाई ले रहे हैं उनका तो योगदान रहा ही है और इसके लिए भी मैं उनका साधुवाद करता हूं आदरणीय सभापति जी जो हमारे माननीय सांसद विदाई ले रहे हैं बहुत आने वाले दिनों में तो शायद ये अवसर रहने वाला ही नहीं है लेकिन ये माननीय सांसद ऐसे हैं कि जिनको पुराने संसद के भवन में भी बैठने का मौका मिला और नए संसद भवन में भी बैठने का मौका मिला उनको
Menteri Rangba Du Kari Narendra Modi ulapan pau jing sngosi halor ke jingja pluding ha Delhi Indore bat palam ha ka baula pha ka khubor snolem shaki bahayeng jong ki lanot ki balayap bat ulat wairu banyo jingkot kham kloi na ka benta ki ba mensau Umudi ulapan benaru ia ka bailut kesan ka ba arlak tingka na ka Prime Minister's National Relief Fund syaki bahayeng jong kitu ki balayap hakatai ke jingja ka ba sanpawa jar tingka na ka benta kitu ki ba mensau hakaju kapor ulapan pau jing sngusi ru halo ka jing du no ia ki mensim breu bat pentikna ban ai jing kershan na ka benta kitu ki longyeng ki bangat hakan ye ka apot Mentangnya phai syaki khubor na keleng ka perthai Presiden ka US Donald Trump persya ya ka Iran kabala thumu ban penyat bah da ka ba banjur ba amdei ban ailat ya ka Iran ban penkiu ya ka jing penmi ya ki bom nuke ulai ro ya ka sin jam jong ka US da ka ba ong ba kilale ya ka badai Utram ula keno ru ya ka jing don kti ka Iran ha ki kam pen mensau bat penjular ula pen pau ya ka jing teng jong ka Washington ban yang skam persya ya ka Tehran wat hapdeng ka jingjur jong ka jingyakan at ha ka than
gladly, very happily, and you sort of see that by the fact that they were sending missiles, ballistic missiles, powerful missiles to all of their neighbors, and for the most part, they were supposed to be somewhat friendly with their neighbors. They were going to blow the hell out of them, and that was going to be the Middle East, between Israel, the Middle East, and Europe would have been there, and we would have been there. There would have been no stopping, and we did a good job, and a lot of people appreciate it. A lot of presidents know they should have done it. It was 47 years of terror. Every time you see somebody with no legs, no arms.
Kajing yakin at ha kiri ka West Asia kala nangjur hadian kajing sya penyap jong uhe ki sipai ada ka Iran u Ali Larijani ka Iran kala penpai kala da kajing ter ki namding bat ki bom lengba jong ki drone ya ki chaka bakongsan kari Israel bat US ka ba kajing let hiar jong ka Israel ha Lebanon kala pensakma ya palat 1 million ki brio ka United Nation kala dep ban kren halor kajing syakta ka hok long brio na kajing nang beteng kan ye kajing yakin at ha ka weipat kaliang ka India kadang beteng ban ya kren bat kinong yalam jong ka UAE ban yada ya ki 10 million ngut kinong song snong kari India ki badan hakite ki chaka
UAE. Now UAE is where most of this diaspora that I'm talking about resides.
Mentang nya phai ki khubor ya le kai Ya kajing yale kai Orleans Masters Badminton Tournament la pensdang ha France kabala kring ya kinong yale kai batibet na keleng ka perthai kani kelempong ka balong kum shibenta jong ka BWF World Tour kan don ya kajing ya khun bating e ha kitop yale kai jong ka singles but doubles ki nong yale kai na India Indonesia China bat kiri ka doba Europe kin yeshimenta ha kelempong badakan ni lakmi lenti baki nong yele kai kinla ban pen khre bhan ka benta ki jing Jacob ki bakongsan ki ban salong shen
Dambi Shrikant will lead India's challenge at the Orleans Masters Badminton Tournament in France today.
Timenta pat nginya pe ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela ha tura ka jingkriat ka long khat khandai degree Celsius bat ka jingshit ka long arpho nyo degree Celsius ka jing singam ka hau ka long nyo phawei na ka shispa haba phai hanong ba shillong ka jingkriat ka long khat sau degree Celsius bat ka jingshit ka long arpho a degree Celsius ka jing singam ka hau ka long ripun riu na ka shispa Kadba hajuwai ka jingkriat ka long khatlai degree bat ka jingshit ka long arphuwei degree Celsius ka jing singam ka hau ka long hinyo phupra na ka shispa ka sun beneng kan dumlo hatura shillong bat jawai kala ru bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala habun ki jaka Shuaban poi syakabakut jong katup kubor ngin yapet biang sasisien yakimat bakongsan. Sedang kadorbar mang tingka kabalai sengi jong kajan jahil Autonomous District Council daga jingterwa yaka mang tingka kabaduna. Hak kami beniak kajan jahil Autonomous District Council yaka Ilaka and Village Amendment Bill anjar Admin Real syaka Select Committee. Lapan terkambiang ya ke internet Hagaru Hills hadin ke jingkang ke bakendai sengi ke balapan kemen ya ki pait ba abat tinggal tray hakikam kicam. Kisan kendai ngut ki dekat nagi arthau teli ki jela kentup ya kendai ngut ki kentai. Bat penpau Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi yang kejing snow diau halo kejing japlu ding Delhi bat Indore. Tiparlok ketu ngilapoi syakabakut jong ketup kubor jong imentaga janmiat adu bangindai syambiang bat pi lasai kesengi kublai pi baro.